हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्राइश एजू। दोस्तों, आज हम देख रहे हैं क्लास 5 ईवीएस, जिसमें फर्स्ट लेसन है अवर अर्थ एंड अवर सोलर सिस्टम। आज इस चैप्टर में हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या है इस चैप्टर में। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ सोलर सिस्टम। Our solar system consists of all of the following items. Stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. It is closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence it appears big and brilliant in its bright light. During the day, we cannot see other stars. Planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. Dwarf planet. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well-known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. Satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around the planets. These are called satellites. Satellites too get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called a satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. Asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. The next question is, what is gravity and why and how do we send objects from Earth into space? The answer is all heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or a pull on one another. This force is called the force of gravity. The sun exerts a gravitational pull on all planets, whereas the tendency of the planets is to move away from the sun. As a result of these two forces, a planet keeps revolving around the sun at a fixed distance in a fixed orbit. In the same way, satellites revolve around their planets. Due to the Earth's gravity, all things on the Earth remain on it. Even if we throw something upward with great force, it finally falls down to the ground. People have always been curious about the heavenly bodies in the sky. They have always wanted to reach them. However, to send some object from the earth into space, it must be given power against the force of gravity. Rocket technology or space launch technology is used for that purpose. One of the Diwali firecrackers is called a rocket. It is packed with explosive substances. The explosive burns rapidly and produces a lot of energy. The design of the rocket is such that the firecracker is pushed in a certain direction at a great speed. Very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into space. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burned in rockets so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into space. In the 20th century, a few countries of the world developed space technology and sent hundreds of spacecraft into space. Our country is well known for the development of its space launch technology. Some spacecraft remain in space. Some are brought back to the earth, while some land on other planets or satellites. In some missions, scientists also travel in the spacecraft. They are called astronauts. तो दोस्तों, ये थे फर्स्ट चैप्टर के ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना। आपके कुछ अभिप्राय रहेंगे तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स के माध्यम से भी भेज सकते हैं। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो पहले मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बाजू में दिए हुए बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करो, ताकि मेरे जो भी नए नए वीडियोस आते रहेंगे उनका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहेगा। तो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए और सुनने के लिए धन्यवाद। हम मिलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए टॉपिक के साथ, कुछ नए एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए दोस्तों धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ रहे। थैंक यू।